This is how you track an image in a 3D space, just like One Direction did in their music video, You and I. First thing, you have to ensure that where you're gonna trim your video, because longer video means longer camera tracking. The next thing is you go to animation and track camera. It's gonna be take you quite some times. Mine spent 20 minutes to get. So the next thing is you have to choose the right pose to freeze. Control T to duplicate and Control Shift T to split the layer. Delete the thing that you don't need. Right click, time and freeze frame. It's okay, just delete the effect. And now what you need to do is just mask things out. I speed up the footage because it takes quite some time. It's almost done. Good. Then I also mask the thing that I don't need. Okay, so the thing is you have to change it to subtract. So when you apply it more than one mask, you can still erase the part that you don't want. Select the tracking point that represents ground. Right click and create null and camera. And then don't forget to turn on the 3D layer to your freeze frame. And you get that position. The position is now. You have to copy it from your null. Control C to copy. Then Control V to paste. Then the position is not right. You have to move it. Please remember that you have to move it with the arrows. Don't move it like you moving position, like dragging without the arrows, or changing or scaling the number from the position keyframe. Scale it up, scale it down, and choose the best. Just right here. Yeah, it's almost perfect. Nice. And then the last thing is right click, transform, then click auto orient, then go orient towards camera. And also don't forget to name it freeze frame so it doesn't make you confused later on. And you're done for one freeze frame. Just wait and check the result. It is working properly. Nice. That's it, guys. Just work in the same steps over and over again. Maybe take you like 2 hours. So that is a short tutorial from me. If you like the video, please consider subscribe to support me to watch more videos about video editing. And until next time.